Alam ko maraming beses mo na ito na-feel. Kapag mabait tayo sa isang tao, frustrate tayo na hindi sila mabait sa atin. Di ba may ganong feeling?
Mabait ka ba?
Hindi sa ganun. Pero parang gusto ka tantadyakan sa panga. Hala! Babasa niya, nagme-midnight thoughts ako. Bumili siya ng merienda.
Merienda!
Ayaw ko na nga magkwento. This is jajamyeon. Bakit fettuccine yung gamit nila? So ito na nga, kukwento ko. Sharing lang to guys.
Sa madami pa.
Diba, if we choose to do something out of kindness, dapat wala tayong hinihingi in return. Because kindness is actually a component of compassion. It's selfless, in a sense. But then there's a study daw. The act of kindness does not only benefit the one who's receiving the kindness, but it also benefits you. In what sense? Pag gumawa daw tayo ng isang act of kindness, it ripples, it radiates to your friends, to strangers, so that they would also be kinder para yung society natin mas maging sound. Kahit hindi natin sinasadya, the ultimate effect of kindness is the good feeling that we feel when someone is also kind to us. Oo nga naman. Hindi siya intentional. Hindi ko naman alam yung point ng pag-bring up ko. Nabi ko lang na, parang may sense yung nabasa ko yun. Na-realize ko lang na no matter how selfless you think the kindness that you're giving out, at the end of the day, you just wanted the world to be kinder to you too. Nalito na rin ako sa sinasabi ko. Hindi masarap tong na-orderan natin.